Most people love this Cicero quote, but completely miss the point. A friend is a second self. Everyone thinks this means find someone just like you, or someone who completes you. Wrong. Cicero wrote this during the fall of Rome in 44 BCE after watching fake friendships destroy his empire. He saw two types of relationships everywhere: utility friendships where people used each other for benefits, and moral friendships built on shared values. Here's what he actually meant by second self. Your true friends aren't supposed to make you comfortable. They're supposed to be your external conscience. They reflect your values back at you when you're drifting. They call you out when you're making bad choices, even when it hurts. Cicero learned this from Lewis' friend Atticus. For decades, they challenged each other through letters that still exist today. They held each other accountable to higher standards. This is why your deepest friendships involve the most honest criticism. If your friends never challenge you, never make you uncomfortable, you don't have real friends. You have fans. Real friendship demands growth, not comfort.